Good day to all our viewers. I hope you are safe and well. My name is Nikki from the Department of Health, and I will be your moderator for today's online event. This is being live streamed on the official DOH Facebook page, DOH YouTube channel, and the official DOH TikTok and Twitter accounts. We are here today for the official launch of the hashtag Check the Facts campaign by the Department of Health, together with our four partners, Facebook, Google, TikTok, and Twitter. This campaign aims to raise awareness on the importance of accurate information in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic and encourage the public to always fact check information that they come across. Today, Director Beverly Lorraine Siho, the concurrent Director 4 from the Disease Control and Prevention Bureau and the Health Promotion Bureau of the DOH, is joining us to deliver a live message on behalf of the DOH about this important initiative. Meanwhile, representatives from our tech partners will be delivering the respective pre-recorded messages to communicate their support and commitment to the campaign in the fight against COVID-19 and vaccine misinformation. To join the conversation online, please use the hashtag #CheckTheFacts. Without further ado, may I call on Dr. Beverly Lorraine Siho to officially welcome us all to today's event and share a message on behalf of the DOH. Director Ho, good afternoon. The floor is now yours.
Good afternoon, Nick. Good afternoon, everyone. Since March of last year, we all have been fighting the pandemic and at the same time, this very, very big challenge of infodemic. But we're also grateful to have a lot of partners on board from national government agencies, civil society organizations, and most importantly, from four of the biggest platforms in social media. They have been helping us out since early during the fight in this pandemic. They have been amplifying our messages and debunking COVID-19 myths. Along with that, Facebook has been also providing us ad credits to help promote some of our content. Google has been helping us optimize our sites to get people to visit the correct DOH channels in order to verify information. TikTok has also been amplifying our messages, and Twitter has also been providing a lot of ad credits to us and helping us tailor certain hashtags, so that the correct information is really pushed to our audience. All our tech brands have been lending their time and support formally and informally, and we're very, very grateful for this. Now that the COVID-19 vaccines are here in the country, all the more that we have to help each other out in spreading correct, tama, accurate information in a timely manner to all Filipinos. So Check the Facts, as you will learn today, is the result of the joint effort of the DOH and these four big platforms to, with our unified desire to keep all Filipinos informed and educated about COVID-19 and the COVID-19 vaccines. So whenever COVID-19 misinformation or COVID-19 vaccine misinformation is being spread in any of the four platforms, makakaasa kayo, no? You are assured that the communities within these four platforms, influencers and creators will all help us in this movement towards checking the facts, no? A reference that the DOH will continue to provide to everyone as the single source of truth, no? So with that, we hope you will enjoy our very short program today in introducing Check the Facts.
Thank you so much, Doc Bev. Let's get the ball rolling. Let us now listen to our partners and their message of support and commitment to the campaign. For our first message this afternoon, we have Ms. Claire Amador, Head of the Public Policy from Facebook Philippines.
Good afternoon. I'm Claire from Facebook. We are honored to be part of the Check the Facts campaign together with the Philippine Department of Health and our peers in the tech industry. At Facebook, we are fully committed to the safety of our community and take health misinformation on our platform very seriously. As access to COVID-19 vaccines expands, we will continue working closely with global health authorities and the DOH to make it easy for people to find authoritative COVID-19 and vaccine information across Facebook's apps. A couple of weeks ago, we announced a global campaign to help people learn more about COVID-19 vaccines and find out when, and where they can get one through our apps. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have connected over 2 billion people to resources from health authorities through our COVID-19 Information Center and pop ups on Facebook and Instagram. We are continuing to expand our efforts to address COVID-19 vaccine misinformation. We've also started rolling out labels on all posts, generally about COVID-19 vaccines, that point people to Facebook's COVID-19 Information Center globally, and we plan to add additional targeted labels about vaccine subtopics. This will provide more information so people have the context they need to make informed decisions about what to share. We continue to take action against accounts that break our COVID-19 and vaccine rules by reducing their distribution or removing them from our platform. While misinformation is complex and always evolving, we continue using research, teams, and technologies to tackle it in the most comprehensive and effective way possible. Thank you very much. Stay strong, stay healthy, and always check the facts.
Thank you, Ms. Claire. I am now your top fan for supporting the hashtag Check the Facts campaign. Let us all remember to check our materials with verified sources first before sharing or posting it. We also hope that the public could also help us report fake news accounts. Scrolling down to our feed, let us now listen to the message from Google, Ms. Bernadette Nacario, Country Director for Google Philippines.
To the Department of Health, the media, and to the rest of our partners, a pleasant day to all of you. I'm Bernadette Nacario, the Country Director of Google Philippines. On behalf of Google, it is an honor to be with you virtually today. I hope you're all safe and healthy wherever you're tuned in from. Google is committed to helping in our country's fight against COVID-19, and that's in collaboration with partners from several sectors. In the wake of the crisis, we surfaced locally helpful information across search, maps, and ways, including the routes of DOTR's free hospital shuttle rides for medical frontliners and DOH-certified testing centers. We also began showing the National Center for Mental Health's crisis hotline on search to help in its service to provide free psychological support. While the pandemic continues to reinforce the need for digital transformation, we've been equipping small businesses, the backbone of our economy, with the knowledge and skills to use technology effectively. In partnership with the DTI, our MSME Caravan digital upskilling program has now trained more than 30,000 small businesses. To help drive inclusive learning, Google.org has made a $250,000 grant helping Filipino teachers to deliver distance learning in two modes: online and for students who have limited or no access to modern devices and the internet. Then for public school students who can learn online, Google and DepEd deployed at least 22 million free G Suite for Education accounts, now known as Google Workspace for Education. As we continue the fight against the pandemic, we're committed to protecting our platforms from misinformation and connecting more people to information they can trust. That includes taking down harmful and misleading content, raising authoritative information on search and YouTube, providing ad grants, and supporting the quality news reporting on vaccines. Globally, more than 700,000 videos related to dangerous or false COVID-19 information have been removed. Our information panels on YouTube have been viewed 400 billion times, making them a valuable source of credible information. Here in the Philippines, we're proud to be partnering with the Department of Health to support the hashtag Check the Facts campaign, ensuring that Filipinos have the timely and accurate information related to vaccines. Thank you to the Department of Health and all the partners who helped make these efforts possible. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all our frontliners keeping the lights on for the nation. Maraming salamat po. COVID-19 continues to challenge all of us. We at Google will continue to do everything we can to help the Philippines get through this difficult time, and rebuild for a stronger future. Muli, maraming salamat po at patuloy po tayo mag-ingat lahat.
We've just heard the message from Ms. Bernadette from Google Philippines. Maraming salamat po, Ms. Bernadette. Since the beginning of the digital age, Google Search and YouTube have been helping us get the right information. So as we hashtag check the facts, gamitin natin itong mga platforms na ito. I-Google muna natin ang information to verify it. Meron din tayong recorded message from TikTok this afternoon. Adding new trends to this event, we have Mr. Christopher Rada, Head of Public Policy, TikTok Philippines.
Good day. We would like to thank the Department of Health for spearheading the Check the Facts initiative. TikTok is proud to be a part of this campaign. As we all know, the threat posed by COVID-19 in the Philippines is enormous. But there is hope with the arrival of COVID-19 vaccines and the start of mass vaccination programs in hospitals and local government units. While many cannot wait to protect themselves against the virus, there are some who still are reluctant. We believe there is potential harm when people don't get the right information. Misinformation and disinformation that continues to spread about immunization can cost lives. At TikTok, we are committed to reducing the spread of potentially misleading COVID-19 vaccine content. We take the responsibility of helping counter inauthentic, misleading, or false information. To combat these, we've partnered with fact-checking organizations to determine whether the content shared on our platform is false. We remove misinformation that is violative of our community guidelines and could cause harm to public health. In recent months, we have also seen many healthcare professionals and scientists coming to TikTok to provide information about COVID-19 while trying to make complicated scientific information understandable to the everyday Filipino. It is our hope that through the Check the Facts campaign, TikTok will continue to play a significant role in communicating credible COVID-19 information and help our countrymen make an informed choice about getting vaccinated. At TikTok, we will continue our mission, which is helping keep the safety of our community our number one priority. At the same time, we are very glad to be working with our partners, the Department of Health, Facebook, Google, and Twitter, in raising public awareness about the importance of COVID-19 vaccination. If we have learned anything from this pandemic, it is that accurate information can help save lives. Let us continue to be vigilant and let us continue to protect each other. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Christopher. Ang TikTok kilala yan na platform for trending videos and challenges. Pero dito sa platform na to, people can also use this to educate the viewer with short yet engaging videos. We are one with you, Christopher, in this cause as we all want to hashtag check the facts and save lives. Last but certainly not the least, let's hear the message of commitment from Twitter to help fight vaccine misinformation. Please welcome Ms. Monroe, Head of the Public Policy, Government, and Philanthropy for Southeast Asia, Twitter.
Hi everyone, my name is Monroe Ampunpitianan. I am the Head of Public Policy, Government, Philanthropy for Twitter in Southeast Asia. As the distribution of COVID-19 vaccine expands, Filipinos continue to turn on to Twitter to discuss what is happening. Along with other tech companies, Twitter is honored to be a part of Check the Fact campaign, led by the Department of Health in the Philippines to help strengthen efforts to promote and provide Filipino with the latest authoritative public health information around COVID-19. Twitter's purpose is to serve public conversation. In December last year, we share our updates of our work to protect public conversation and to mitigate misleading information that present the biggest potential harm to people's health and well-being. We also implemented new policy to apply labels to tweets that may contain misleading information around COVID-19 and vaccine. in addition to our continued efforts to remove them. We are introducing a strike system that determines where further enforcement action is necessary, particularly for repeated medium and high severity of violation of our rules. We believe that giving access to factual information is integral to public confidence on vaccine, as well as keeping the integrity of public conversation on health. Thank you.
Thanks again, Ms. Monroe. We hope more people will retweet the same messages that we are espousing this afternoon. With our hashtag Check the Facts, let's be stewards of fact-checking and the right information when sharing to the Twitter world. Nais din po namin magpasalamat sa ating tech partners, Facebook, Google, TikTok, and Twitter for this important partnership. We hope that through this partnership, we'll be able to protect Filipinos from misinformation online and connect them to timely, accurate, and trusted information about vaccines. To officially close this event, we call on Dr. Beverly Lorraine Ho.
Thank you, Nick. Over the last year, we have experienced a lot of misinformation, but we've also seen a lot of engagement from many of our partners. As mentioned a while ago, we did get a lot of civil society organization support, as well as organizations from the academia, student organizations who've also been helping us out in combating misinformation. With the introduction of COVID-19 vaccines, the need to address misinformation is now more important than ever, and we're grateful for this collaboration. Addressing vaccine hesitancy and making sure that people received only the correct information about vaccines are very, very crucial as we enter this stage of the pandemic. We are looking forward to the many exciting and creative lineup of activities and executions from each of our platform partners on how to address vaccine misinformation and help amplify our hashtag Check the Fact initiative. We also envision the campaign to grow as something that's more self-sustaining, a movement wherein people will organically allow it to grow and make it their very own. No? So having really a space in the culture of critical thinking among the general Filipino public. Perhaps as a last word, we would like to enjoin everyone, bawat Pilipino, let us all continue to be the solution in our fight against COVID-19. Let us make sure that we and our families, our loved ones, get vaccinated, and always hashtag check the facts. Stay safe, everyone, and back to you, Nick.
Thank you, Doc Bev, and maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanood ng ating event ngayong hapon. Let us continue to be in solidarity and further our fight against COVID-19. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat at patuloy po tayong sumunod sa mga health protocols. And remember, always hashtag check the facts regarding COVID-19 and vaccine information bago tayo maniwala, mag-post, or mag-share ng kahit anong information online. Once again, this has been Nikki from the Department of Health. Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and mask on.